Another day, another error with your good friend North Sentinel Island, and I just typed npm start, and we got this beautiful error because it's not defined because I'm not doing something right. So let's figure out what the hell it is. And it is my beloved new delete one. And require auth is not there. How would you have thunk? Because I don't see it anywhere. So let's figure this out. And we just have to go to the old one. Go and figure out where the hell it is. Repo. This is not even my repo. It's useful for just copying crap. So let's just go here. Routes. API. Groups. And figure out where required auth is. Then we'll just copy it. Utils auth. Sounds like fun. Let's figure out if we have something already. Config. Are we in here? Of course not. Why would it be there? Database is there. Middleware authenticate. We got authenticate token. Set token cookie. Utils auth. Okay, let's just copy this utils auth. Here it is. Utils auth. Set token cookie. I think we had that. No, we have authenticate token. Wonder what else crap we have in here. Request routes. Nothing. User routes. Because it's got create. Login, we have login. We don't even have a utils section. I mean, it's not looking good for a copy paste thing. So let's just DB models, secret expires, and config. Production. Store user. Require auth. Equals function requires next. If rec.user return next. Alright, let's just copy all this and plop it where we were. The middleware section. And we're going to see if we have an authenticate token. We don't have an authenticate token. So let's add authenticate token. Maybe we could gradually learn what the hell this crap is. One day. One day. Okay, Jot has already been declared. Okay, good. Yes, you already copied and pasted a bunch of crap that's already well needed. Do we have Jot config? Let's just copy your crap, move you up here, and we're just going to go through these errors as times go by. Okay, config. Cont secret because we don't have that. It's great. Let's figure out what the hell we have here in our config section. Okay, here, process schema. Get rid of you. Okay, so we have, I think it's a bunch of, roughly the same thing. The DB file. I don't know what the hell the previous crap I had is. Production development. Light. Well, that makes sense. Default database. Name. Okay. Just similar but different. I think. Okay, so this is just index thing. 8,000. But where the hell were these things originally wanted crap from? .env, which I have. .config. I'm not interested in that, I'm interested in this. Yes, as we can see, user equals models. That one we could do, because we just go back to middleware, slash into models, and we're fine. .config is here. Config. We don't have that. .config, however, is here. Process.end secrets.expires. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. It's not like anything could ever go wrong. We could always change it. And if worse comes to worse, that's what ChatGPT is for. Okay, config. Touch index.js. There. And everyone's happy. Yeah, I don't know what the hell an ES module is. Okay, let's see if we change anything. Okay. Require auth is not defined. That's where the original error was. So group routes. So let's figure out where we're back to where we started, and that's to figure out where the hell required auth lives. And then we have to copy it. Because if we go to the original groups one, we could figure out where it lives. Require auth. Utils auth. And we didn't really put it there, I think. I think we just put it in there. So we're going to go to, we go back once, we go into the routes folder. Now we don't go into, we're here. Then we could go into config. config. Because we need to figure out where required auth lives, or at least where the hell we put it. No, we put it in middleware. Draw config. Good. Authenticate token. Set token cookie. Store user. Require auth. So we're going to go here to middleware to authenticate.js. There's one thing I learned from all this. It might be I learned basic English. Or how to spell. Okay. So let's do that. And just get rid of you for the time being. Clear npm start. And figure out what's causing you to crash now. Good. Can't find DB models in server.js. And we don't have a db.models. So we have to figure out where we put our issue. Be here. We just have to get rid of you. Because we have one fewer thing. Route.get requires a callback function. User routes.js 6. User routes.js 6. This is highly embarrassing. You don't have access to this route. And yeah, because I am way too confused right now to do much of anything. So let's do that. Let's do this. And we're gonna take the user route one. I copy pasted code from a repo and regret what I did. Can you help me decipher this? Oh, okay. Here we go. Check your authenticate.js file. Usually it's like a useful person that helps you with code. Okay. Here we go. Ah, yes. I am importing an object because of the curly braces. Now it has to be in curly braces. You see, this is one of the reasons why I suck at this. Okay, so let's authenticate. And update your route. User routes.js. I'm in group routes, not user routes. User routes.js. There we go. And you wrap it in curly braces. And everyone's happy. We're not happy. And update your route. Router.get protected. Router.get protected. Authenticate token. Because, well, it has a different name now. Okay. Get type function. There's a middleware function but got an object. Same thing. Let's just clear this out so make sure this isn't the old error. Start it up. Creator.good. Index.js. And new modules. Index. Okay, I need a freaking. One of the things I want to work on is just checking this freaking helpers. At for where did I use? Yes, I know it's an object. It's an object. Requests. And what about this new one? Because I don't even know where. About this one. Rather incorrectly. Okay, so user routes, router. Module. Okay, that. Okay, so we're exporting a router. This is user routes.js. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. This is user routes.js. Okay. Yeah, I know that did that. Okay, so let's index. Here. Dot slash user routes. Possible issue. Let's see what we got. Okay. So now we get to go in a detective case. We'll start here and see what the hell you're exporting. You're exporting a router. Login routes. What the hell are you exporting? You're exporting a router. You're exporting nothing. You're exporting a router. Gotcha. Yeah. There we go. Isn't that lovely? I thought I'd be helpful, but I was not helpful at all. So now let's see what we got. We got something that works. And we could get rid of you. But we can't get rid of you for now, for long, because, well... So at least we got that, some of this gibberish working. I think. So let's just work on what we did last time, and that's just get this delete route to work for the routers. Just copy everything for the time being, because we know that works, where it would have thrown an error. So we know it works, because otherwise it would throw an error. And we need requests. Forgot what the hell this is called, so we have to look it up. It is called requests. So we're going to change you to requests. And he didn't break, which is always a good thing. So let's edit. But before we do that, we need to make sure that it's putting the right thing. Because God forbid that doesn't work. If it's my request thunk, delete request thunk API / requests routes requests / ID / edit. Good. Just ping it into the right route. Request ID for simple logical reasons. Try one request. Found by PK. Request ID. If one request. Because yes, we need to change all these variables because it will look terrible. I like no such thing exists. If one request founder. Good. Request destroy. Deleted. Good. Good. Okay, so we think this works. And we can figure out what next we have to frickin' do. Because I think we need 2 more thunks. So let's just see what other thunks we have. Yeah, we have my groups. So we're going to figure out what my groups is. API group / current. And routes, group routes. Router.get group / current. So you could go bye-bye. And we need required auth because it won't work if we didn't. Require auth. Async rec res. I don't know why we don't. Might be useful to have next, but who cares? Good. Figure out what we did here. And that's groups. Group ID events. Just trying to find something that's useful to copy. Find all. Yeah, I think I could actually do this myself. Const own groups equals own charities equals await charities dot find all. Now we just need. Good, we knew that part. And now we need. Here we go. Where? That's the syntax I need. That is the syntax I need. I think. Boink. Where up and. Actually, no, I just. Okay. What have we got here? Okay, yeah, now it's working. No idea. We're just gonna go and just have them do what we did last time. And just have start up Capital Mutual Aid. Yeah, we're gonna start up Capital Mutual Aid. Put create all good old groups. Yeah, we don't need all groups. Single group, new group, update group, delete, current. Here we go. I'm just gonna have them translate this. Wondering if you could translate this Flask code to Express for me. There. Good. Now that I think about it, I mean, this is just an easier syntax. Try, find all, where, founder, rec.user date. And this, I could have wrote that. This is embarrassing. Okay, so we go here. This is this. That's the Flask code. This is the JavaScript code. So we go here and here and copy that. And we get it to run. And everyone's happy. My charities. Nope, we have to change some of these things around. But this is good. Charity stuff. Correct.user.username. Quest.user. See what we did here. It does exist. Well, if it doesn't exist, we'll find out shortly. And there's going to be a username. We know that. Yeah, we're assuming it exists. Response equals charities. Charities dot my charities dot JSON. And I'm just going to change this. Might as well just change all the parameters. Good. This could be copied into requests. Group requests. Check my phone. My phone has a text message. Let's see what the hell this is. Okay, it needs personal service only. This is great. Yeah, it's gonna be fun finding this guy. Yeah, that's gonna be great. Find some guy in New Jersey that lives in Yukon territory. I doubt he's living in New Jersey right now because I'm fairly confident he's living in the Yukon territory. So therefore I'm going to have to drive about 40 minutes in about an hour. And there will be no one there because he's in the Yukon territory. That is my life. Okay, mod requests equals request.findAll, where founder. I doubt this thing has a founder. And figure out what I used. Requests, title, details. Yeah, we have username. Where username equals rec.user.username. Is that going to give us issues? might give us uses, but maybe it won't. Nah, it's okay. If it goes association, we're gonna have to change username to founder. Launch response. Requests. My request.map. Request. Request to JSON. So that. Okay, so we got these things working, I think. So we got those, we got that. The backend's actually running, which is always a plus. We got that, so now we just have to import the, not the store, the component, home, and figure out what the hell this is called. My charities. Just a weird way of describing it, but okay. Let's actually use my code. I don't know why. Good. And repo. And this. Before I gave up on it. App.js. Import protected route. Did I do this yet? Yeah, I did that. Authenticate from store session. Let's get rid of you for now. Store session, that's good. My page / index. My listings. And instead of route, it's just called protected route, it seems. And if it doesn't work that way, we'll find out soon enough. Equals landing page about, and it's going to be here. I might as well put you up here. Import my, there we go. Page element equals, and I think I remembered somewhere it said this is deprecated. I think that's how it worked there. And it seemed like it was exact equals true. Well, I'm just going to do it this way. And I guess I don't even have front end loaded up. Might be helpful to do that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we have group card, can't find it. We don't have a default case in stored requests, which do, but so I don't understand that. Oh, because we do have one. Oh, actually, no, we don't. There. You want one? You got one. Yeah, you don't have one at all. You want one? There you go. Now we just have two imports. We could always deal with those when the time comes, so let's just go here. And I can't resolve group card my page. Why not? What's wrong in the back end? Nothing. Because they're not group card or request card, or might. I decided to change their names. That's why. You see, this is what happens when you change things' names. No, my charity card. Group card. Oh, okay, I see what happened. I think we'll find out soon enough. Key equals group.id. Group list. And this is what? Why am I going backwards one? I'm here. Okay. Here we go, I think. There we go. Here we got some new errors, but we're getting somewhere. Oh. Cannot resolve store group card. Why can't you just find store? Okay. You want delete group thunk. But is it because we have one fewer now, I think. Three errors. The more the merrier. Okay, so let's store groups.js. So we go back one to here. Then we go back one to components. And then we have to go back one more to store. Wait a minute. Okay, so we go back one to home, back one to components. Yeah, I mean, we should be here. To components. Wish there was a quick way to wrap your head around this crap. So go, here's one, here's two, here's three, here's 4 bumps. And currently you have 3 bumps, I think. Good. Okay. Yeah, so it's 4 bumps. And request card. And here we have 3 bumps. So you need a bump, and you need 1 less. Use history is not defined. Error. And a request. Is use history, and it's, well, navigate. Equals, you use navigate because history no longer exists. And 19 navigate.push. 25 navigate.push. Okay, so this is actually working, I think. So let's find out if it actually is working. Oh, really, that's going to get more errors. We got more errors. It's not a root component. Probably because I screwed something up. So we're going to go up here and go here because I knew it was something to do with it. I just walked right into this one. And bump. And bump. 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 I was trained on ancient software. How did I screw this up? from correctly. Route component to this line. Okay, so we could make sure and not make this embarrassing thing again. Because you can say what you want, this is embarrassing. Alt-Shift F. Not to forget what this other one is. Or navigate redirect. There we go. Okay, let's look up protectedroute.js. Return, navigate, to log in. Perfect. Okay. Route itself, okay, yeah. So now it acts as a wrapper. I hate this crap. Yes, we know that. So let's go here, password, and see what the hell happens. Good. Can't convert undefined or null to object. This is a new error. I love new errors. So let's see what the hell we got back here. From users, where username is lose rings. And dev tools. Okay, we got that. Group user. Crust user. This is weird. Okay, so we're doing something really screwed up here. I don't know what the hell's happening. So we're definitely logging in. And we're redirecting here, so it's still not preserving. So we're going to go here again and copy this. And as seen the dev tools, we're doing something weird. Something really weird is happening in which, instead of getting in all of them, we're getting all of them. It's just session. Let's add this just to figure out what the hell's going on here. Yes, right now I feel like I don't know what the hell is going on. Groups dot state dot groups state dot requests, and I see absolutely nothing to redirect anything, which is a problem. Just use that same thing I was doing with the old one. Alright, so let's go to, not here, but here, and just return null. Authentication county, React output, set React output, if, here we go. Fetch my group's thunk. Length set is true. Is loaded is not defined. 131. Change you. Okay, now we had the same error. And go back here. Object.values. So we're just going to go here, add my console logs. Groups.requests. What are these things going? No. State.group. And did they call, like, did I just change anything at all? I have to figure this out. We got session, group, and requests. Group list object.value is groups. Const session equals use selector state.session. Continue to figure out what the hell's going on. My page group is not defined. 37. Group. Groups. Groups. Wait a minute, no, let's just take out, okay, groups State.group. Groups. Okay. Ugh. I hate these. So it's hard to use good variable names. And I definitely am not. That's correct. Optional training and provide a fallback. This makes sense. But I don't want those terms. I want the terms I was using so I don't have more freaking errors than I already do. List. Groups list. Ew. Dot user. Group. Weird. The hell did that come from? Yeah, they come from Redux. I knew that. Ensure they're being populated before a component tries us to use them. Good. Let's do that. This fleshes that a little bit better. Session group requests group stake.group. Group requests, good. Good. Okay, so let's go back to this madness. Now we have more errors. Group is not defined, 22. Group list. Groups. $49 and $55. Groups list. Group list. Let's find another one. Groups list not defined on 55. Because it's called group list now, because I'm an idiot. Or I decide just to change things. And if it sounds like I know what I'm doing, well, you have to kind of understand at this point that I'm just not groping in the dark, but I am trying to reteach myself this. So let's see what we got. I think this is a new error, which is good. So let's see what the console logs are. Yeah, so it seems like we're getting exactly the same thing instead of what we want, which is, well, stuff. I'm just gonna call it, not gonna call it an episode. Yeah, forbidden. Ping. Clear. Clear. NPM start. I just need to see what the. I just want to see what the hell these phone calls are actually freaking doing. We should go to my. Gets called here. Gonna fetch my group's thunk. Fetch my group's thunk. My group's action groups return groups. Group reducer. My groups. Group ID equals group return new state. Return state. Group reducer. Now why the hell am I not getting stuff that I want? API group / current. I just want to get some sort of console logs figured out. To see if these things are actually being tapped. Charities.find all because I'm not getting any information whatsoever. That's for certain. At least I'm not getting any information on this crap. Login routes. Cross routes. Because theoretically, we need to be getting stuff in each one of those. So get rid of you for now. I don't want that. So let's just, this is just basic 101 to figure out what the hell is going on here. Let's find out. Good, we got some errors, which is always lovely. So we're going to go here. Error forbidden. Yeah, we got crap. And require auth. So it's saying I'm forbidden. 74. Authenticate.js. In backend middleware. Authenticate. New error. Forbidden. Alright, so lose rings password. Let's first of all, let's make sure. Because we could always be. Caps lock is definitely off. Okay, users lose rings. And let's go back here. Type in the right thing. Yes, it is the right thing. So we know it's not this. Password is password. totally from this. Okay, so starting next episode, we're gonna be going through all this crap because it's saying forbidden. If we could actually do a console log there too. So let's go to the middleware. Let's go to authenticate. Let's go to 74. I am in require auth. That's one way of doing it. Get some more errors. See what we got. Yeah, we don't even get up that. Okay, I have to get ready for work. So we're gonna end this episode for here. Next episode, we're gonna figure out. We're gonna continue to grow up in the dark. This is North Staten Island signing out.